Okay, so now that we've made all the parts, we're going to go ahead and assemble our train here. Okay, so want to come in and start a new standard IAM assembly. Okay, and let's grab our train parts here. Some of these you're going to want to bring in again because we're going to have more than one wheel and such. Okay, so I'm going to place them. Okay, and I'm going to just kind of move them around here. I'm going to work with these parts now, and I'm going to bring more in later. Okay, so one of the first things you want to do is take your train body here and go ahead and ground it so it doesn't move because we want to work around that. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring in my axle peg over here. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, let's grab our constraint and let's make that constrain with that. Okay, whoa, that was weird. That's okay. Hit apply. Now I'm gonna pull it out here. Okay, and I'm gonna do a constrain. Let's see here. I want to do this face to this face, but I also want to offset it by about 0.25 inches because I know that my wheel thickness is a quarter inch. Okay, 0.25. Okay, so I'm gonna hit apply, and now that moves it out so I can put my wheel on there. Okay, now I'm gonna bring my wheel over here. Okay, and let's go ahead and constrain now that to that. Hit apply. Okay, and then let's do another constrain here so we can limit one more degree of freedom right there. Apply and cancel. Okay, now our wheel turns on our train. We're good. All right, so now let's bring in that cow catcher. Okay, so one of the things we want to do is go ahead and let's constrain that to that. Okay, hit apply, cancel. I'm going to move it out a little more. Let's constrain now that face to that face. Hit apply and cancel. Okay, now we need to constrain it one more time here. Let's try a flush. That one with that one. Apply and cancel. We're good. Okay, so let's now go ahead and bring in our stack here. Okay, so we're going to do a constrain that line to that line. Hit apply, cancel. I'm going to bring it out here. Now let's try another constrain. An insert constrain now. Let's try that. Okay, to right there. Got it. Apply and cancel. Now we're good. Okay, let's now go put on the magnet here in the back. So we're going to do a constrain. We're going to make that side made it to that side, apply. Then we're going to do another one from here to there, apply, cancel. Alright, and now we're good there. So let's bring in our axle here, constrain that to that, apply. Now I'm going to bring it out, zoom in here, And we're going to do another constraint. We're going to do a mate from this surface to that surface. Apply and cancel. Okay, and then let's see. We got to put on our other wheels, and we also got to put in our linkage arm and linkage peg here. So let's go ahead and place those 4 other wheels here. Or 3 other wheels, I should say, since we already have one. And then let's get the axle pegs here. We're going to need 3 of those as well. Okay. And now let's go ahead and put them in. So we're going to do a constraint again. Here to here. Apply, cancel. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do another mate constraint with an offset of 0.25 inches here. Whoops. And we want 0.25. Whoop. That's okay. We can come back in here. Okay. Now let's bring in our other wheel. And just to make constraint, here to here, apply. And let's do another one from here to there. Okay, apply and cancel. Okay, and let's make sure it turns and we can't move it around. Good. Let's do our other 2. Let's do a mate constraint now. .25 offset. There we go. Grab our other wheel, constrain that to that, and then let's do that to that. There we go. Apply and cancel. Apply. 0.25 offset again, so we can okay, almost done. So we got everything but our linkage peg and our linkage arms. I'm going to bring in one more linkage peg and one more linkage arm here. Okay. Okay, so now let's go ahead and constrain it here. Let's try that. To that. Okay. And that. To that. Hit apply. Cancel. Now we can still take it off. Okay, so I'm going to move this off now. I'm going to constrain that face. Try it again. That face to that face. Hit apply. And we should have rotation. And okay, looks good. Now let's put our last linkage arm on. You want that line constrained with, come on, show up, that line, okay? Okay, and we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to move this off and just do that. To that. And the last thing we need to do is bring in two more of these. Okay, and put those in. All right, so let's bring this one in a little closer. Constrain that to that. And let's move it out here. And then let's constrain now that surface to that surface. Apply and cancel. Let's do the same for the other one here. Apply and cancel. Okay. Make sure everything works. Where did our part go? Well, let's do an edit undo so we can see it here. Let's just go with the regular mate. I'm going to move it out here and do that one too. All right, last one. Wait. Okay. So there is your complete assembled train. All right. Thanks for watching.